नीचे रखी रक्षा जैकेट को पाउच से निकालें और इस तरह सर के ऊपर से पहनें। अब स्ट्रैप को सामने से बकल में डालें और एडजस्ट करें। रक्षा जैकेट को फुलाने के लिए लाल टैब्स या टैब को ऐसे खींचें और अधिक फुलाने के लिए इन लाल नलियों या नली से हवा भरें। ध्यान रखें कि द्वार से बाहर निकलने से पहले आप रक्षा जैकेट में हवा भर लें। यदि आप ओवरविंग द्वार से बाहर निकल रहे हैं तो रक्षा जैकेट में हवा बाहर निकलने के बाद ही भरें। विमान कर्मी दल की अनुमति के बिना रक्षा जैकेट को इस विमान से हटाना वर्जित है। Please read the safety instruction card placed in your seat pocket in front. Fasten your seat belt by inserting the metal tip into the buckle. To tighten, pull the loose end. To open, lift the buckle. Keep your seat belts fastened at all times. In case of low cabin pressure, oxygen masks will drop automatically from the panel above. Pull a mask down sharply to stop the oxygen flow. Cover your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Please wear your mask first before assisting others and make sure that you remove your face mask beforehand. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft, 2 forward, 2 rear and 2 over each wing on both sides. The nearest exit can also be behind you. The escape path marking system will guide you to the nearest exit in an evacuation. A safety instruction card and an information guide are also available in Braille. Government regulations require using any electronic devices only in flight mode. Devices without flight mode must be switched off and stored away for the flight except electronic entertainment devices, which may be used post-takeoff. Smoking, including e-cigarettes and consumption of alcohol, is not permitted and is a punishable offense. Smoke detectors in the lavatories will alert the cabin crew immediately. In the unlikely event of a water landing, take the life jacket placed in a pouch under your seat and slip it over your head. Secure the strap around your waist with the buckle. Pull the red tabs or tab to inflate or blow into the manual inflation tubes or tube. The life jacket should be inflated before leaving the main exit doors. In case of evacuation through an overwing exit, inflate the life jacket after leaving. Tampering with or removal of the life jacket without crew authorization is prohibited and is a punishable offense.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, हम सभी यात्री से अनुरोध करते हैं कि अपने फेस मास्क और नाक और मुंह ढक कर पहने रखें। मास्क न पहने रखना नियमित दिशा निर्देशों के अनुसार एक दंडनीय अपराध है, सख्त कार्रवाई के अधीन है। धन्यवाद। May I have your attention, please? We are requesting all passengers to cover their nose and mouth with their face mask. Refusing to wear the mask properly is a punishable offence as per the regulatory guidelines and subject to strict action. Thank you. May I have your attention, please? We are requesting all passengers to cover their nose and mouth with their face mask. Thank you. May I have your attention, please? We are requesting all passengers to cover their nose and mouth with their face mask. Thank you.
Yes, it's for takeoff. Confirm cabin clearance, please. Thank you.